about my llama children. I know I just made a video, but we're trying to do episode 1, but we keep on messing up, and someone had to go make macaroni, and it takes like 30 minutes to make macaroni, and then our other friend had to go and do something. So if you guys want to join, it's y'all's chance. Go in the comments. There will be the docs, or go to the other video I made earlier today and go in the comments, and you'll see the docs for him, and you guys will get the new people a part of the RP. If you guys want to be if you guys are boys, yes, you have to do this because we don't have enough boys, but I'm gonna add more girls. If you guys want to be a character named Liza, Elizabeth, that's the next name. Luna, Moon, and what's the last one? Renee. You can say 1 for the first person, the person that you want to be that I just said. And say it in the comments and say hashtag llama child of llama queen. But just put llama child, okay? And just put the person you want to be. If you guys don't want to be those characters, like I said last time, just say a roleplay name that you want to use, your Discord and Minecraft username. I'll see you guys next time. Good floofing. Bye!